In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Pay for online checkout. Start by signing into your payment provider or e-commerce platform and make sure it supports Google Pay. Next, open your payment settings and locate the Digital Wallets or Payment Methods section. After that, enable Google Pay if it is available. Some platforms may require you to activate it through your payment processor, such as Stripe or another supported provider. Now complete any required verification steps and make sure your business account is fully configured to accept online payments. Next, if you're using a custom website, enable Google Pay through your payment gateway or e-commerce plugin by following the available setup instructions. After that, save your changes and publish your checkout settings. Now open your website and add a product or service to your shopping cart. Next, proceed to the checkout page and verify that the Google Pay button appears as a payment option on supported devices and browsers. After that, complete a test transaction to confirm that Google Pay is processing payments correctly. Finally, once everything is working as expected, your customers can use Google Pay to complete purchases quickly and securely during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Google Pay for online checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.